AC Max Scent Diffuser. SCENTSEA.
Connect HVAC hose and air tube to the device. Plug in your device to the power cable. Set up the local time. The numbers on the screen represent the local time. Hold the set key for 4 seconds, and the week will flash. Set the actual week with the up or down arrows. Press the set key to move to the clock and minutes fields. Set up the clock and minute with the up or down arrows. Press the End key when you are done. Set up the events. Touch Set key once. The week will flash. You can choose the weekdays with the up or down arrows. Then touch ENT key to save the settings. Touch Set keys twice quickly to set up the first event. Set the clock and minute with the up or down arrows. Press the Set button to set up the end timing. Set the clock and minute with the up or down arrows. Press Set key to set up the working and pause intervals. Set the seconds with the up or down arrows. Repeat the above settings. For the remaining 2 events, restore factory settings. Hold the NT key for 3 seconds to restore factory settings. Turn on OFF the fan. Hold the up button for 3 seconds to turn on/off the fan.